What is up, nerd friends? Welcome back to the Nerd Bench. What is this? An all-new QuicRun Fusion called 8. It is a 2200 kV variant, and it is an 8th scale size motor. That's right, 42 millimeters by 69 millimeters with the speed control built right into it. It is a 2-in-1 FOC combo designed for primarily rock crawling applications in larger scale vehicles like the SCX6 or any of those other big custom builds that you guys have that you need big horsepower for. Just for the lulz, this is a normal Fusion Pro. Look at that, it's pretty big. And then you hold it up to the new Fusion Mini 16, and isn't that cute? And that's just great. So let's throw the calibers on here just so you don't have to take my word for it. But you see the front side length, 62 millimeters that way. And on the end bell, you're going to have a 40 millimeter length there and a little like 42-ish when you get onto the fins there. This guy does have the oversized 5 millimeter pinion gear shaft. And it does have multiple sets of mounting holes here. You see you have 3 mil holes and 4 mil holes. And this does work with the SCX adapter plate that we make for the XR2. Same basic stuff there. So the hard specs on this guy, it is rated for all the way up to 4S, a 2 to 4S LiPo. It has a 13 amp BEC in it that does 6 volts, 7.4, or the 8.4 volts as well. And the big news, and a lot of the rock crawl stuff that we're doing now, we give you an extra wire, and the little yellow guy there plugs into an auxiliary channel on your receiver to allow you to have drag brake on the fly from an auxiliary channel, like a knob or a switch or whatever the case may be. So you can either adjust the drag brake on the fly, or you can kind of turn it on or off as you drive as well. It's handy if you drive in mixed conditions or you do more than just crawling. As far as settings go, this guy shares the settings with the Fusion Pro. Even though it's just called the QuicRun Fusion 8, it is those same settings. There's 13 of them, and if you have used the Fusion Pro or seen a Fusion Pro video, it's the same. It's actually the same settings, so all that stuff applies. It does have the different modes, of course, so you can set this up for non-crawling applications. I'd say for like medium-duty stuff, this guy would probably be fine. 2200 kV on 4S is pretty darn fast, so in a tight, compact setup like this, it's not going to be, I guess you'd say, what I would always suggest for a go-fast setup, but I have been using my Mini 16s in go-fast setups for the little trucks, and it seems to work great, so who knows. This guy will work with the LED programming card as well as the LCD Pro. It does not have any of the Bluetooth support, though. When I do get a final production version, we will, of course, do an official unboxing. This is just a quick look to give you an idea what this new guy is all about. And if you are unfamiliar with our 2-in-1 rock crawl combos, these use FOC sensors. Now what that means is a field-oriented control. And normal sensors are what's called a Hall effect sensor. This is a little bit different. And what it does is it gives you a lot more precise control when you're descending and going up hills. Up and down hills, basically, is where the control comes in. It does what I always call throttle matching. So whichever throttle position you're at, that's an RPM, and it's going to maintain that RPM as you go up or down obstacles. It makes for a very unique kind of driving style for an FOC setup. But FOC has been a game changer for a lot of folks. I've talked to lots of people at events and trade shows that absolutely love these Fusions, and it's nice to have a larger option for our bigger builds. I have one of these in my SCX6, and it's pretty darn cool. The next awesome Fusion is here, the QuicRun Fusion 8 2200 kV. If you do have any questions, comments, or concerns, please do shoot us an email, northamerica@hobbywing.com. If you didn't know, we do a podcast where we give away free stuff each and every episode. It's called RC Stuff, powered by Hobbywing. Look it up on your favorite podcast service. And as always, folks, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.